Hey, sweet boy. Hey. Hey, baby. Hi there. Hi there. How's Grandmama's little bean? How's my little bean? Huh? Are you playing? Are you playing? Huh? Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Are you going to talk to me? Can you talk to me? Talk to Grandmama, honey. Tell Grandmama all about it. Tell Grandmama all about it. Can you tell me? Can you tell me all about it? Huh? Tell Grandmama. Tell me. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Can you give me a smile? Huh? Can you give me a smile? Hi there, sweet boy. Hi there, sweet boy. Hey there. Aw, thank you. Thank you. That was so good. Can you give me some more? Oh, there's some more. Oh, there's some more. I'm so happy to see you smile. I am so happy to see you smile. Yes, I am. I am. I know. It's playtime. I was going to give you a bath, but I'm going to hold off. I'm going to hold off because you're playing right now. Yeah, we don't want to spoil it. We don't want to spoil it. No. I'm not going to wipe your eye boogies. I'm not even going to do that because you're playing. You're playing. Yes. That's a sweet boy right there. That's a sweet boy. Yes, it is. He spent the night with Grandmama and Granddaddy. Yes, he did. You like that? That's some sweet smiles. That's some sweet smiles. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay. That's our sweet boy. Yes, it is. Oh, got that little tongue out there and everything. Yeah. Oh, look at that little tongue. That's my little bean. It is. Yes, it is. What? What? Are you going to try to talk? You going to say something? Are you going to say something? Say hello, everybody. Oh, that's what you're going to say?